If you want to make better sides for your barbecue, you've come to the right place. You'll need to source some chicken eggs for this recipe. No matter the size of your eggs, the cooking time won't change. Leave the eggs in their shells for this recipe. I'm going to show you a foolproof way how to boil and peel eggs. 3/4 fill a pot with water. Place it on the heat and bring it to the boil. This is when water reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Place the eggs into the boiling water and wait for the water to start boiling again. Then start a timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the eggs from the boiling water and leave them in a bowl for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cover the eggs with some ice and top with chilled water. Set the timer for another 10 minutes. Did you know that butt nuggets are a great source of protein? Do you struggle to peel your boiled eggs? By resting the eggs before the ice bath, we are helping the membrane of the egg white release itself from the shell. This just means you'll be able to peel the eggs a lot easier, just like that. Today's cook requires hot oil, so I'm heating some up in my deep fryer now. Once the oil is at 180 degrees Celsius, it is time to start frying the eggs. They will bubble and make a bit of noise. That's perfectly normal. After a couple of minutes, they will be a nice golden colour and they'll be ready to come out. By deep frying the eggs, have we just bypassed waiting until the chicken grows up and we fry it in pieces? We now have tiger skin eggs, but where's the bite? Over a medium heat, grab a small pot and put around 1/3 cup of Frank's red hot original hot sauce into it, adding a couple of tablespoons of unsalted butter and a tablespoon of honey. Once the butter has melted, you can take it off the heat. These tiger striped butt nuggets will easily be a to-be cooked. Cheers! If this was a food review, I'd be eating by now. Do you like spicy food, or does your butt turn into a volcano the next day just to show you how much it hates you? Just pour the hot sauce mix over the eggs, making sure they all get covered. The textured skin holds onto sauces a lot better than a standard smooth boiled egg's outer.